Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. The standing metronome exercise is all about introducing us to the lean into the void. Now, what do I mean by that? The void is the space that is outside of your body zone, one side and the other. When we're skating on inside edges and we have a lean that is into our body space, if I pick up this leg, I'm going to lean, I'm going to go around this way. It feels very safe because I know I've got my other leg there just in case. I can always touch the ground. Now, there are going to be instances where we have to lean into the space beyond our body space, outside of that. That I'm going to refer to as the void. So we need to get used to that feeling because it's something that the better we get with our skating skills, we're going to do that more. We're going to use it in many different ways. So whilst we're here by the barrier, I'm going to demonstrate this standing with my back to the barrier, but you guys are going to do it facing the wall. Okay, so to practice leaning into the void, we're going to bend our knees, hold onto the barrier, and we're going to practice what it feels like to lean across into that no man's land at the side. You'll feel how the pressure in your standing foot increases. It's almost more weight in that foot now. And the other foot will feel, by comparison, quite light, okay? But we need to get comfortable with the feeling of moving our center across and slightly beyond our foot, slightly beyond our natural border. And we're gonna try that the other way, bending the knees first, making sure we've got hold of the barrier a little bit, and then gently moving our body weight outside of our natural boundary until we feel lightness in the opposite side, okay? And we can get used to that standing still. It's a strange feeling, but it becomes a wonderful feeling when we take it into motion.
So grab some barrier. Standing practice helps us to build awareness before we launch into motion. Awareness of our body compass, east and west, horizontally across our blade, and how far we can safely sway and still recover. Here are some important details that we can best see from a side view. Keeping the bend in the knees and ankles is vital. Just like suspension in a car, knee bend is part of the intricate balance mechanism in ice skating. The sooner we learn to skate in this knee bend range, which is so different from ordinary walking, the better our skating skills will be. Next up, into motion. We'll set up from vertical, bend one knee more than the other and allow your upper body to gently lean into that void. Notice the difference here between our steering using twist versus the lean we now use. Two different planes of movement that can have a similar effect on our skating direction.